Hey, 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 you're over 50, and guess what? It's not too late to turn your finances around and start building wealth like you've got a time machine in your back pocket. Honey, let me tell you, I was in the same boat. Over 50 and wondering if I could even afford to retire and buy those gummy bears I love so much. But listen, I turned things around and you can too. Stick around and I'll walk you through how I did it, step by step, so you can turn things around too. We're going to get real personal up in here, okay? Oh, and don't click away, because by the end of this video, I'm going to give you the secret sauce to financial freedom over 50. And no, it's not just saving pennies. Trust me. Now, let me take you back. Picture this, a time not too long ago when life seemed simpler, yet the weight of financial stress was ever present. About 5 years ago, I was in the exact same boat as so many of you watching this. The struggle was real, and it felt like I was drowning in a sea of bills and financial obligations. Over 50, wondering if it was too late to save. The thoughts of retirement seemed like a distant dream, almost unattainable. The bills were piling up, my retirement plan was looking like a joke, and every time I opened my bank account, oh boy, I was hoping to find a miracle. It was a constant state of anxiety and worry, but there was none. The reality was harsh, and it felt like there was no way out. I'm talking drier than Kevin Hunter's dating prospects after our divorce, okay? It was a tough pill to swallow, but humor was my coping mechanism. And I know some of you are feeling that right now. Financial panic mode. The sleepless nights, the constant worry, it's all too familiar. So if you're wondering, is it too late to fix my finances? The answer is no. It's never too late to take control and make a change. It is never too late. You can start today, right now, and make a difference in your financial future. It's like getting a makeover, but for your bank account. Imagine the relief and confidence that comes with financial stability. But before we dive in, tell me in the comments below. Do you ever feel like you're a financial disaster? Or is it just me? Be honest, I'll wait. Let's start this journey together, and remember, you're not alone. All right, step number 1. You've got to know where you stand. You can't just wake up one day and wish your finances would improve. You need to face the music, honey. This isn't some reality TV show. This is your life. First, pull up your bank statements, look at your debts, and see what's coming in and what's going out. Scary, right? But listen, knowing where you are is the first step to changing everything. Like trying to fix your car, but not knowing what's broken, good luck with that. Now, if this step makes you want to cry, don't worry, you're not alone. But trust me, this is where the magic happens. Once you get a grip on what's really going on, you can start making a plan. So go ahead, take a deep breath, and jot everything down. Don't forget your Netflix subscription, though. We're still living that dream. Step 2, here's the fun part. Cutting out the stuff that drains your wallet. This is where you get to take control and make some impactful changes. I know. You love your daily latte. It's a small luxury that brings you joy. We all do. But folks, do you really need a $5 coffee every single day? Think about how that adds up over a month or even a year. That's a plane ticket to financial freedom right there. If you're willing to sacrifice a couple of fancy drinks, imagine the places you could go with those savings. And no, we're not talking about giving up everything. It's about making mindful choices. Just trim the fat where you can. Identify those little expenses that don't add much value to your life. Like those subscription services you forgot about. They might seem insignificant, but they add up. I'm talking about that gym membership you haven't used in months. Yeah, I see you there. It's time to reconsider if it's worth keeping. Listen, I love a good pair of shoes as much as the next diva. But how many pairs do you really need? But you know what's more fabulous? Financial security. Imagine the peace of mind that comes with knowing you're financially stable. So, put down the credit card and step away from the shoe store. Okay? It's about prioritizing long-term happiness over short-term gratification. We're talking about making smart choices here. Every little decision adds up. Do you really need that new gadget, or is it just a fleeting desire? Or are you just trying to impress your neighbor? Remember, keeping up with the Joneses is a never-ending race. And don't even get me started on those impulse buys at the checkout line. They're designed to tempt you. Put down the candy bar and walk away. It's these small, mindful decisions that pave the way to a healthier financial future. Step 3 is expanding your income. This is a crucial step in achieving financial freedom and stability. Now, you might be thinking, but I'm already working, Wendy. And I get it. You're busy. You've got responsibilities. Well, you don't have to quit your day job to make some extra cash. It's all about finding opportunities that fit into your current lifestyle. Side hustles are a thing, people. Whether it's freelancing, consulting, or even tutoring, or even starting a small online business, there are endless possibilities. You could sell handmade crafts, offer virtual assistant services. There are tons of ways to get that extra cash flow coming in. My favorite side hustle? I started selling my skills online. And guess what? It really adds up. I started selling my skills online, and guess what? It really adds up. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Etsy are great places to start. Don't be afraid to use your talents. Whether you're a painter, a musician, or a writer, there's a market for your skills. And hey, if you're like me and you've been living under a rock, there's a ton of money to be made online. So, what's your skill? Maybe you're great at graphic design or coding. There's a ton of money to be made online. So, what's your skill? Let me know in the comments. Are you the Excel wizard? Let me know in the comments. Are you the Excel wizard or maybe a closet artist? Let's share ideas. The more we share, the more we learn from each other. Are you the Excel wizard or maybe a closet artist? Let's share ideas. Or maybe a closet artist. Let's share ideas. This isn't about getting rich quick, honey. This isn't about getting rich quick, honey. This is about taking control of your future. You've got skills, you've got experience. This is about taking control of your future. You've got skills, you've got experience, and you've got the drive. Now it's time to monetize that. Now it's time to monetize that. Start today, and you'll be amazed at how quickly those extra dollars add up. Step 4, people, saving for the future. I know saving can feel like a distant dream, especially when you're 50 plus, but trust me, even a little bit of savings now can pay off big time down the road. So start small. Open that retirement account or set up an emergency fund. Just start somewhere. It's like getting a plant, but for your money. Nurture it and watch it grow. Think of it like this. Every dollar you save is a dollar you don't have to stress about later. And who doesn't love a little less stress in their life? Even if you can only spare a few dollars a week, put it aside. You'll be surprised how quickly it adds up. And who knows, maybe one day you'll be sipping margaritas on a beach somewhere, all thanks to your savvy saving habits. Last but not least, step 5, reinvesting in yourself. This one's crucial. You've got to keep learning and growing. Whether it's taking that course to learn a new skill, getting certified in something, or picking up a new hobby, invest in your future self. The best asset you've got is you. And trust me, the more you invest in yourself, the more wealth you'll build. This isn't just about money, honey. This is about living your best life after 50. So take that cooking class, learn a new language, or finally, write that novel you've been dreaming of. When you invest in yourself, you're not just improving your financial future, you're improving your whole life. And that's something worth investing in. So there you have it, folks. That's how I turned my finances around after 50. Start with assessing your situation, cutting costs, finding new income streams, saving and reinvesting in yourself. It's a journey, not a race. Remember, it's never too late to make a change. And hey, if I can do it, so can you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below telling me what step you're going to start with. I want to hear from you. And as always, hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on more juicy tips on building wealth after 50. Until next time, keep making your money work for you. How you doing?